Here we have a quick example of how one would practice Gua Sha on the back of the body. You can see that I'm using a stainless steel tool here along the spine, and then I'm going to change to a buffalo horn tool to get into some of the smaller areas in the lower back. Now, each of these tools have special qualities, and there's a reason for using each tool in each area. So you may notice as well, one of the differences between Gua Sha and some of the other scraping techniques is that Gua Sha is a unidirectional treatment. And there is a special reason for that, which I will show you in my free Gua Sha webinar coming up. So stay tuned and click the link below to join my free Gua Sha training